This is Mary Mitchell 100, and today we have Wallaloopsy. You can only find these at Walmart. And so yeah, it came with this little notebook. All the ones that you can collect. Series 1, Series 2. This video might end on us, so I might have to make
So your mom tried to give me a heart attack yesterday. She texted me and said, "So, are you getting Alex in the morning?" And I was like, "He's coming on Saturday, I'm pretty sure."
And so, this is
I know, she's got too much going on, and she's
Mint
overthinking, and she
Stripes.
always overthinks and overanalyzes things, which doesn't help her cause, but
And that's
yeah, we had a
my
little chat
mom
today,
on
and
her
she sounds
phone.
pretty good, so.
This is Dynamite. This is Cinder Slippers.
Yeah, I know.
This is Jewel Sparkles. Come on, Jewel Sparkles. See?
Yeah.
Jewel Sparkles. This is Misty Mysterious.
And you know what? Sometimes you fail and sometimes you succeed. But that's what I told Michelle. You know, we were talking about.
Their little dollhouses come with these too, but what's the secret one? God.
No, she did not.
What looks secret? Oh, this is the secret one. Wait for the secret one. This is the little butterfly that goes with Dino. That goes with Dynamite.